Matt Miller. I am the chair of the Labor and Employment Practice Group here at the firm, as well as a member of the Commercial Litigation and Campus Disciplinary Defense teams. I also am the leader of the internal and external COVID-19 response team here at the firm. So I graduated from law school about 16 years ago from Penn State Law, Dickinson School of Law, with a certificate in Dispute Resolution and Advocacy. I've been voted as a rising star by super lawyers, as well as the legal elite of Western New York, and have been chosen back in 2016 as Business First 40 Under 40. I am a trained commercial litigator, somebody who values the practical advice that I give to business owners, but my commercial litigation background and my general corporate law experience has really formed a great foundation as a labor and employment attorney, primarily because I'm a business owner myself and I understand risk mitigation. And those skill sets that I developed as a young lawyer have enabled me to grow my labor and employment practice over the years. I wanted to help businesses solve complex problems. There's been no greater time, especially now in our history, where running a business has been so difficult, especially in managing a workforce. Businesses are only as great as their workforce makes them, and the difficult decisions that HR professionals and business owners make on a day-to-day basis really interests me. So that going into this practice area really enabled me to get immersed in that area of the law and to help businesses succeed. My most memorable case, it certainly was a high-profile case where myself and our partner Tony Rupp represented a local and national commercial developer and property owner against a local municipality, where we alleged a variety of violations of his constitutional due process rights. It was a long case spanning over a decade, I believe, that ultimately resulted in a 4-week commercial trial in front of a jury, and a finding that the municipality had violated his constitutional due process rights with a multi-million-dollar jury award. It was long, it was tiring, but it was rewarding, ultimately in vindicating our client's rights. At the heart of it, I'm a family guy. I spend a lot of time with my wife and 2 kids, young children, and when I'm not with them, often when I am with them also, I'm either on the golf course or in a hockey rink, playing myself or watching my son play. I love to spend time with the family. I love to travel, although I wish I could do more of it, but a family guy at heart. I always recommend to business owners and clients that they invest proactively and early on in compliance issues. And it's always less expensive to do so on the front end than to try to play catch up afterwards when there's an allegation or some type of violation or a change in the law. Oftentimes clients see dollar signs and don't want to make that investment up front, but proactivity and making that initial investment ultimately saves dollars down the road.